Hello friends, welcome to one of the amazing video on Udemy. So are you worried about GDPR for your website? Oh wait, you don't know what is GDPR? Well, do not worry, you have landed on the right course. This course is about WordPress and the General Data Protection Regulation of European Union, which was enforced on May 25th. So GDPR has affected almost every company working with EU citizens. And there are chances that your WordPress site to have EU visitors. Yes, you got me right. You should be concerned with GDPR. I am Priyanka, your course instructor, and I am going to help you with GDPR for your WordPress site. Unlike other courses on Udemy, this course is not theoretical. Here, we are going to have the hands-on demos. We will see how we can make our WordPress site GDPR compliant using various plugins. So we will include privacy policy, cookies. We will see how we can manage our Google Analytics data, WooCommerce, and many more. This beginner's course covers following things. First, we will get the insight about GDPR and its application scope. Then we will talk about the individual rights under GDPR. Next section is about how GDPR has affected organizations. We will see what are the non-compliant sanctions. Then we have the general GDPR checklist. These are the various elements using which we can make any website GDPR compliant. Next, of course, we will see how we can implement these checklist elements in our WordPress site or blog. And last, we will conclude this course. This course do not need you to have any prior knowledge regarding GDPR. It is meant for anyone who wants to make their WordPress site or blog GDPR compliant. I'm sure all this interests you. So why wait? Grab this opportunity and enroll for this course. Thank you for checking out this course. I appreciate it. Feel free to take a look at course curriculum and enroll for it. I hope to see you guys. Till then, have a beautiful day.